Nikon to host the vlogging workshop. This is insane. Small, flat white, lactose free. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
The reason this is insane is because the very first camera that I ever bought was a Nikon, and now I'm working with them. I'm a vlogger, right? Thank you. Thank you. When I first went freelance about 2 or 3 years ago, which is about the same time that I started vlogging, I didn't know the idea or what it would sound like in real life to say that I am a YouTuber in front of corporate people who would say things like,
I'm a commercial lawyer.
I do commercial real estate sales.
I'm an accountant.
and I am a YouTuber. Thank you. Guys. Well.
A few moments later.
This is where I'm staying.
Hi, welcome back to your channel. Hi, how are ya?
Start your adventure by walking through the hotel, exploring all rooms in your category. That works.
Alright, darling, let's
Okay.
go upstairs, alright? We're gonna choose your own room and then you can walk around as much as you want, alright?
Okay. Wow.
Okay, my money.
Oh, look at this. That's cute. What is this room type? This is another type of room. This is an artisan room. What's in here? This is bootstrap. Bootstrap is like a starter room. Still got the details. Bootstrap. Again, another. Oh, this is very feminine. Oh, I like this. This was my room of choice. Let's open this up. Oh, look at that cute little cactus. I always like an outdoor area no matter what. And that is my room. I've stayed in a lot of different accommodation in my life. This has got to be one of the most unique ones. Did you see that? Even though my room was already booked, it's like all of them look different and you get to tour all of them and then you get to choose. Am I weird in saying that whenever I go into a hotel room, most of the time I turn off the AC first? Is that strange? I've just taken like 5 minutes to settle in. Let's discover what this room has to offer. It looks like a self-contained studio unit. We look like we're in a cave. Now this is the mirror. I'm showing you the size of the mirror. And the reason I'm showing you this is one time I traveled with a friend, Ava. And one of her criteria is to have a full length mirror, you know, to check out your OOTD outfit of the day. This hotel is TV free, meaning there are no TVs. You know what? I pay attention to detail and I do like how cute their hangers are. I've asked for the iron because I want to hang my clothes right away. Now this is the bathroom. Dun! It's clean, it's neat, it's compact. There's a toilet and then let's see what's in here. What else do they have? Cutlery. Oh yeah, that's right. In case I want to cook, which will not be happening on this trip, I don't think. What's in the fridge? Nothing. Okay, neat. Oh, there's a microwave, so that's handy. I reckon this place is comfy to stay in if you're like staying a few days. It's equipped to do the basic everyday things. Anyways. Room tour done. Just in case I didn't show you the flow of the room to the outdoors, that is the flow. It is 10 minutes to 5 p.m. and I have not eaten breakfast or I haven't eaten any food. Got dinner at 7:30. Do I save myself for another 2.5 hours? Of course not. I'm gonna go eat now and I'm gonna go eat later. Let's find something on Instagram. Where can we go in Camperdown? Down. Food. Tags. Yes, ramen. Runcible spoon. Show me your location. 300 meters. Lock me in, baby. Having your hours on your bio is important because it is closed. So it looks like I'm not going there after all. Okay, so most places are closing or closed and not opening till dinner. I am going to get some chicken after I put my shoe on. 300 meters up the road. You know how much this excites me? Because I am famished and I'm settled into the hotel, so I'm ready to live my best life. Takeaway, please. Water. I have also not had enough water for the day. I've not ordered Nando's since 2012. I almost didn't order chips because I'm going to dinner tonight and I'm so hungry.
Thank you, Ella.
I'm gonna go look for some breakfast. Look what I got. Taro latte. Yep. Oh, yes. Quite sweet. Okay, so it's 10:50 now. I want to be back at the hotel by 11:40, so I should leave here at 11:30. I get 30 minutes.
So what are you gonna enjoy in 30 minutes?
The views. There it is. Latte, and then close the door. Have a good day. Bye. Wow, so worth it. I've got 30 minutes to go, but I'm so glad I made it here. You know, I'm always so drawn to the water, so wherever that is, I will go there. Let's go for a walk. What is this? Oh, I see. It's a giant Christmas ornament. We're going in, and they're coming out. What is going on in here? Oh, this is cool. Now I know what it feels like to be inside a Christmas ornament. This is literally like 1, 2, 3 high. That is the outside out there. I just walked past a strip of restaurants and cafes and saw that the starting rate for a breakfast package, which normally includes breakfast, coffee / juice, at 16 bucks. That is very, very, very competitive. In all of the years that I've traveled, any area which invites a lot of tourists, I always expect the rates to be inflated by about 30% or more. And here, I feel like the rates are actually less than average. I'm going back to where I came from and I am going to show you. Then you also get these views. Hello. Yes, here is perfect. Thank you. That was a successful morning out. It's now 12. I was about to enter my room, but this one now seems to be free. And I like this number. Can we walk inside? I think they're cleaning it. Oh, I think they are. There's the balcony. I should probably just go back to my apartment. You know what? I'm literally going to walk to the venue because it is only 300 meters away from me. Convenient. Where do they get the headphones? Are they going to be on the...
Yeah, so I might give them out as they walk through.
I feel so professional right now. I'm going to take you for a walk. Hey guys, I'm playing around with the selfie stick. Hey! I asked Nikon earlier if they had chosen this area specifically because it's dark, because it's actually dark in here. And I was like, it's a camera event. So the reason is, hi! Oh. The reason is the Z series. It's amazing at low light, and so what better place to experience and try that out than a place that is dark. This is the entrance of where we are, and this is, check that out, called Nikon Illuminate. Want to be in the vlog? Now you're in it. This is the place where James is going to be hosting the workshop called The Realities of Travel Photography.
So there's 5 or 6 lenses in here, and then finishing with the Z.
This is where we're going to be hosting the vlogging workshop. These, when you turn them on, cool. Everyone's going to be wearing a pair of headsets because there's going to be 150 people through this whole area later tonight. So it's going to be pretty loud. This isolates the sound and they can hear me on the mic directly, including my videos. Just going to run through the presentation one more time, or maybe 2, and get some practice in. There are Z50s available for people to try. So this will let you use a Z50 if you need to use a tripod. So you can still have the screen down. You connect this to your camera, and then this connects to the tripod, and boom, there you are. Do you approve of my description?
This little adapter
Yes.
attaches to the base of the camera, which allows you extra tripod mounts,
There you go.
which
That
will
makes
allow the screen to fold down.
much. You should have a vlog, Brett, because you said that 1,000 times better than I did. This is made specifically for the Z50, and why we say specific is because look, the way that it fits the camera, because it must fit the camera.
Perfect.
It's like getting the perfect shoe. Snap. I just went to the toilet and then I came out the wrong way, but it wasn't the wrong way because look what I found. This, totally different from inside the bar. Apparently, after the folks do the workshop, they're going to go on a tour and see this. See, they're all kind of like, they're all lit. Oh, really? Should I have one? Thank you. Yes, thank you very much. Probably does. Okay.
Where are you from?
Brisbane.
I'm from Brisbane as well.
Oh, yeah? Adelaide. Which part of Brisbane?
The rent is much better though.
This is exactly what I needed, so thank you. How about this for a mode of transport? We just finished a brief before the media arrived. I just discovered they're giving away 3 cameras. Oh, this is James. How do you live the dream? James is super cool right now, and I'm like getting more and more nervous.
Keep it on the inside.
Yeah, well, my hands are getting sweaty. But you're a pretty confident public speaker.
Yeah, it should be alright. I mean, my presentation isn't working at the moment, but
Oh, is that right?
we'll sort that out.
Everything to capture things like this all in one backpack.
Yeah, 3 lenses, 1 body, maybe 1 spare.
Media hour has begun.
There are extended Nikon family.
What are we having? The Indian one? Guys, this is part of the media hour, so the VIP. A lot of breadth of space. Session number 2. James's room is packed out. Yes, guys. Find the light. Travel vloggers and bloggers in the house. What is this? Oh, 10:38 and everyone is goodbye. And the lights are now on. Have you ever seen one of these guys?
Aquatech surf housing.
You put your camera in there and I
Camera
thought...
goes inside, and then you just connect your cord to the shutter, close it all up, and then you shoot with these buttons.
Look at that.
This is a small one.
That's what she said. 10:53 p.m. 3 back-to-back workshops. First time in my life. Wow, that was unreal. The energy of a team is so powerful. It was a very unique experience for me because I got so used to doing everything on my own. Doing something with a team that helps you, and the Nikon team, my God. They're just such nice people. Honest, supportive, real, caring, fun, cool, knowledgeable. But anyway, it's time to settle down, freshen up, get in bed, and do breakfast with a friend tomorrow. 6:30, feels about 23 degrees. I am currently controlling the camera with this remote. I wonder if you can see that. This is like Inception. Whoa! I am so... Inception! That is sick. Okay. What else can we do? I could do like my own portraits at this stage. I was gonna say, cut out the middleman. Oh, that's right. I am the middleman. I'm a photographer. You can do self-timer. Landscape. Like it goes like proper, or if I turn my screen. It's so good. I am never not impressed by stuff like this.
Till 7 o'clock till I do 2 jobs. I said that's it. It's not my problem anymore.
They had a beautiful outdoor area. This cup is made of recycled coffee grounds. It's light. and I'm now in Melbourne, going back to Brisbane, which you can watch this video in the next vlog. Moral of the story of this one, follow your passion, follow your heart. You never know where it's going to lead you. Also, YouTube is a very powerful thing. YouTube is a life changer. I'm going to go board my flight now. By the way, if you have any comments or questions, pop them in the comment section down below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. See you in the next vlog.